Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to half swipe on Snapchat. Okay, what you want to do is go to Snapchat and then go to your chats. And this, of course, only works with the normal chat and not with a snap. What you want to do now is hold down with your finger on the profile picture of the person and then start to swipe it to the right until you can see the text. Once you're on the right, don't let go, okay? Don't let go or the person will see that you opened the snap. Now to go back, just swipe back to the left. All right, once again, start on the profile picture and then swipe to the right. Once you see the text, here you go, and then let it go by swiping to the left. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to half swipe on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe and let me know what videos I can do next.